Here we have a brand new 2023 Audi RS3 8Y Sportback. This is a Vorsprung edition, which means it comes with a panoramic roof, the head-up display and the driver assistance package. But what makes this car special is its Audi exclusive paintwork. This is Sonoma green, a colour which is featured on the B9 RS4 and RS5. To get this colour on this Audi RS3, we spec'd it as an Audi exclusive colour, which is a £2,400 option, and it took over 2 years for it to be delivered after we ordered it. As you can see, the car is still equipped with a factory transportation film. This is how the car leaves the factory in Germany and arrives at the dealership, even with all the GB terminals tracking numbers on the car. We requested for the car to arrive to us like this so we can guarantee to be the first people to wash this car. The car presents delivery mileage on the dash, so we can guarantee that you will be the first person to drive it from new. These covers will be carefully removed and then the car will be detailed by a professional detailing team prior to sale. If you want to find out a bit more information about this car, we recommend giving us a quick call because this car has literally just come into stock.